All right, guys, welcome to ISC East, second day live in New York City. We had to arrive a bit earlier today to catch Vosker in their booth. They're so busy that, early birds get the worm, as we say. So, Jeff, how are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks for stopping by.
Hey, my pleasure. So, Vosker, autonomous security cameras. What does that mean exactly?
Hey, that means everything comes in the box, right? I mean, it's a cellular, solar, energized product. Take it out of the box. It's going to have dual SIM cards in there, provided with SD card. You set it up, you charge the batteries, and you're good to go for, about 12 months. Just leave her alone.
That's pretty nice. I see there that you have photo surveillance. So can you walk us through maybe what that does?
Yeah, we have two basic models, right? One does single photos and time-lapse photos, all right? And then the other one does only video. It'll do video on demand, or it'll take video clips. I'll show you kind of our video model here. So we got the V300 Ultimate. If you pick one of these up, everything's in the box, right? Once you unpack it, simply charge the battery 4 to 6 hours and the solar panel, and you'll find out that everything you need's right here. No other trips to the stores, any other vendors, anything else for SIM cards or things of that nature. It's all included in the package. It'll have dual SIM, so the camera will pick up the highest signal and transmit on that.
But I think this one is a little bit different, right? We're talking about photo surveillance, but this one is your new model with video, if I'm not mistaken.
It's video, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So it'll take 10-second video clips at every motion.
Okay.
It has built-in AI, so let's say you have the dog running by or something like that, we can cut that off so you don't get an alert for that. It'll just, if we only want humans, we can set it up so we only have humans. We want commercial vehicles, we can set it up where we only have commercial, so you can do all of that. And then you can recall those 10-second clips anytime that you want, or you can go live and watch it live.
Wow.
The kit comes with everything you need, mounting hardware, flush mounts, wood mounts, just everything you would need to get set up and going.
Yeah, that's great. And do you know what, for example, any kind of case studies you guys did with this product? Who's buying the new V300, for example?
Yeah, it's kind of a broad segment, but right now what we're finding out is really in agriculture, farmers, ranchers, construction companies are actually using it quite a bit. It's a really quick and affordable way to get security into remote locations, right? And temporary locations. So if you have a construction site or something of that nature that you're maybe only there for a month or two, set these up, you're good to go.
And again,
peace of mind.
Peace of mind. I think that's the key word right there.
That's right.
And you were saying, so you have dual SIM cards that comes with the kit pre-installed in them?
Yes, everything's installed in the camera. So when you receive your camera, it'll have SIM cards that are embedded inside the camera, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card. So, if for some reason your cellular service is off, the camera will still function, and it'll capture everything on your SD card. You'll just have to go remove it and load it up on your computer.
So, as we were discussing, this is pretty much a plug-and-play product.
It's completely plug-and-play.
So right out of the box, and you just plug the battery in.
That's it. Charge that battery about 4 to 6 hours before using it with your solar panel, and you're good to go.
Wow. And so how does that work exactly for the cellular that you have, so the LTE? I think you guys have an application that everything goes from there?
Definitely. Everything will go either to your web app or on your app on your Google or Apple device. Can I show you the plans over here? So,
of course.
So through the app, you'll also buy the service plans. We have 3 packages currently, $10, $15, and $20 a month. Each camera model has a different number of photos you'll get for those prices. And then for the live streaming, it's for 40 minutes, it's $20, and that's across all your cameras. So if you had 5 cameras, that 40 minutes would be spread across all of them. So.
And this is again all inside the app. So let's say I buy a Vosker kit right now. I open the app, I choose my plan, and there I go.
You choose your plan. You're going to get 7 days to learn how awesome it is, and then you're going to come in and you're just going to, decide which plan you want. Let's say you buy the $10 plan and you realize it's not quite enough photos. Well, you upgrade and get the next plan for the next month.
Okay, so now.
And it's month to month. So if you're not using it, going on vacation, or I'm sorry, that's when you'd want to use it. But let's say you're at home and you don't need it, turn it off for a couple of months. You don't have to pay for your service plan, but you can still capture it on your SD card.
All right, and let's say I want the V300 like tomorrow. Where can I get it right now?
You can check online. We have retailers. Best Buy carries it. Lowe's, Home Depot, Tractor Supply. Of course, if you're a wholesaler or a dealer, you can go to our wholesale ADI and places like that.
Great. So thank you for having us, Jeff. Any quick shout outs you'd like to give? How can we contact Vosker and talk to you guys?
Yeah, look us up, vosker.com, give us a call, and look forward to hearing from you, and give us some feedback. Tell us how we can make it better. We've got our own in-house R&D team, so we are, we love great ideas, so I appreciate it.
All right, Jeff.
Thanks for your time.
Have a good one.
Yeah.